Welcome to World Geography. Today we're going to take a look at what is geography and the 5 themes. The 5 themes are a fundamental piece of geography that we have to understand in order to move on through the rest of the year. So first of all, what is geography? Quite simply, if you look at this definition, it's a science that deals with the description, distribution, and interaction of diverse, physical, blah, 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 blah. What that really means is that it's description, distribution, interaction. What that also is just the study of the earth and everything on it. That's what we're going to take a look at. Now, with the study of the earth and everything on it, we have to categorize it into 5 different themes to make things easier to understand. First theme we're going to take a look at is movement. We're going to take a look at regions, then the human environment interaction, location, and finally wrap it up with place. All right, we're going to go kind of quick. Location is, where are we? It's to simply put, where are you? What's your location? GPS coordinates are absolute location. Latitude and longitude, a street address. We're at 4220 Emerson Avenue. Paris, France, it's 48 north, 2 east. Those type of things. This tells you exactly where you are. Relative location, it tells you, it is described by landmarks, time, direction. It's relative to one place. Go 1 mile left or go 1 mile west, 1 block, this way. Relative location is we're down the hall from the auditorium. So that's location. Absolute location, exactly where you are. Relative is relative to another location. Chick-fil-A is, a block south of In-N-Out Burger. All right, that's location. Place. Place paints a picture. Remember, place, P cubed. Place paints a picture. What's it like there? What does it look like? I've never been there. Tell me about it. It can be human characteristics. It can be languages, customs, beliefs. For example, they speak English there. They're tall at the bubble. They wear Nike shorts and big T-shirts. Physical characteristics, landforms, mountains. It's hot. It's a lot of trees. It's a desert. Those are the type of things. What is it like there? Paint me a picture. I've never been to that place. Tell me what it's like at that place. Location, where is it? Place is what is it like? Human environment interaction, we call it HEI for short. And how do we in the environment affect each other? We depend on it. We modify it. We adapt to it. We depend on the water for on the river for water. We modify it. We cool our buildings. We heat them. We adapt to it. We wear shorts, right? When it's hot out, when it's raining, we have an umbrella. Movement, how are people, goods, ideas move from place to place? We have human movement, literally moving in trucks, trains, planes, automobiles. We have information movement, your phones, your computer, email, all that. And idea movement, how do fads move from place to place? Religions moving, ideas moving, all those type of things. So movement is how things move from place to place. Chick-fil-A started in Atlanta, now it's all over the country. In-N-Out started in California, now it's in Dallas. You can go to China and go to McDonald's. That's movement. Regions, how are regions similar and different from other places? Regions are a little bit tricky sometimes. You might get confused between regions and location for some reason. Regions is going to be you have location where it is, place of what it's like. A lot of places that are the same make up a region. You have your formal regions defined by government boundaries. That's your state of Texas, that's your Highland Park, school attendance zone. That's a defined formal region. Typically doesn't change. It can change, but it most likely won't. And it'll also be a formal region, a Rocky Mountain. The Rocky Mountain region won't change. You're in the Rockies or you're not. Your functional region, it's going to be, they provide a function. It can be anything from a newspaper service zone to Jimmy John's delivery zone to a cell phone zone to a radio zone. Usually whenever you have something with roadways, I-35 is a functional region. People in Duluth, Minnesota and Austin, Texas are in the same functional region because they live on I-35. Vernacular region, not in your book, but that's typically going to be the way we speak. Up north, you have different dialects, different vernacular than in the South. It's also going to be perceptions, the Middle East, right? Your perception is you have preconceived notions, you have stereotypes. The bubble, that can be some kind of vernacular region as well. Here are some different ways to look at regions. People choose the way of the South is differently. If you look on here, you have some that say, you, at least if you're in the South, if you're a Confederate state, if you're 50% Baptist, if you have less than, 50 centimeters precipitation, all that kind of stuff. If you ever forget the 5 themes, it's easy to remember. It's Mr. Help. You have movement, region, the HE is human environment interaction, location, place. All right, that's it for us. We'll see you soon.